I want to touch a little bit about skill set. So within this industry, right? And I think right now communication is a big one. That helps. It's all about down to communication. But what other skill set would you highlight if you're saying, what's important when you are in the manufacturing industry?
Well, if you go look at it, obviously critical thinking is a little more important today than it was when I got started, because even a guy like me starting out could be successful because the business was expanding at such a fast rate. So, being able to sort of think through situations. The business is definitely much more complex than it once was. So that ability to critical think and problem solve, I think it doesn't matter which job it is, whether you're selling to a manufacturer in the manufacturing world. I do believe that this business, doesn't matter how much technology is involved, it's still a people business. It always has been, and it always will be. We're humans, we interface that way. And I think the people skills, those soft skills, and when I look back in some of the people that I've worked with and over the past years, typically where somebody ran into issues, it was typically on the people side versus the heart of the technical skills.
Yeah.
The harder technical skills are a little easier to teach.
Yeah.
The people skills are tied to our personalities quite a bit, and I think I've got some people that I use the term chameleon. I watch how their personalities adapt to the people that they're interfacing with, and I think that's a skill that it's hard to learn, but something that could really help people do well in this industry.
If you like Mind Innovation, don't forget to subscribe, rate, and share the show wherever you get your podcast. You can follow Sannah Vinding and Mind Innovation on Instagram, LinkedIn, and YouTube. And make sure to check out mindinnovation.com. Stay curious and keep learning. See you next time.